Listen, good morning all, man. Just heard something. What a world we live in. Just heard something. Don't know how true it is. Because of the monkeypox, which is now a national emergency, we got people in the world killing monkeys. For y'all that don't know, monkeys have nothing to do with the monkeypox. Okay? I'm not a scientist, but I just know that they're not the reason for it. Furthermore, as a kid, I remember all of us, well, most of us, got the chicken pox. Wasn't nobody bumping off chickens, man. Not back then, no. They was bumping them off. Whether it was fried, baked, grilled, smothered in gravy, barbecued. Today we eating lemon pepper wings, habanero, sweet Asian chili. Leave the monkeys alone, man. That is all.